You got 100 million miles an hour over there, yes.
Bitch, I did it, I made it, I'm loved and I'm hated. I started from the bottom.
All right, good morning, good morning, good morning. In today's episode, we are going to be installing the spoiler on this bad boy. And so I had a couple ideas. Use the cardboard to trace out the spoiler and then make the holes. But then I figured, man, that's just too much work. So I kind of aligned it here. You see that? Because that's where the junkyard one's at, right there on the edge. And I came back here. I don't know if you guys can see that. There's a couple screws back there. And so I'm gonna use the screws as a marker, and hopefully I'll get this thing nice and straight in there. And that's just that. Oh, how am I gonna hold it here? Well, I'm gonna hold it in place with duct tape for the time being. Yes, who doesn't duct tape their car? There you go. I'm done. I duct taped it. Sure enough, I'm a little bit curious on this corner right here. Seems like it's sticking outwards. Focus. But yeah. So either way, now all I have to do is mark the holes on or about, guesstimating where I'm gonna drill the holes. Alright, and then for the last part is, once I drill the holes, we're gonna have to get some double-sided 3M tape, stick it on there. Yeah, for support and for waterproofing, if I'm not mistaken. So let's get to it. All right, I'm done. I'm brought the drill out, and I'm gonna make a hole right there in that mark, and make a hole right there in that other mark. And if I get those two right, then I think I'm golden for the rest of them. Now, if I mess up, whatever, I just go get me the other trunk lid. Okay? I think that'll do it. Alright. So now let's see if this thing's gonna stick in there or not. How bad did I mess up? Seems like I messed up pretty bad. Yeah, sure did. Oh, you know what? Maybe the holes ain't big enough. I need them bigger. Alright, hold on.
We're gonna make the holes bigger. Focus. Focus, focus. There you go. So I gotta drill them a little bit bigger. It's not fitting through the screws ain't fitting through the hole.
How big is too big? I don't know. Alright, so that's a big hole. That sure is for that little nut. Plus, I don't think that nut's from there, and it sucks because it's not really screwing into the spoiler. But for everything else, seems okay. I'm gonna screw these in, and let's see what happens. Alright, cool. So maybe for my next, when I decide to make this a permanent and I clean it all up and everything, I might have to come back and put a washer here because the hole is just too big, and you know, it might just slip out or something, that vibration. And these are all good to go. And so here's the finished product. There you go. Man, I just don't like this corner here. I don't. It's just a little off. See, it looks better from this side already. But now I think she looks a lot better. Yeah. What do you guys think? Like, comment, and subscribe, please. Let me know what you guys think about that over there, that little project, and how she's turning out. All right, later, guys.